longer having to go to the doctor's office for a visit, conveniently monitoring your pulse by watch, or checking medication dosages via app. Telemedicine makes all this possible. Both doctors and patients have technical applications at their disposal for almost any situation. At MEDICA 2021, we learn how telemedicine has developed during the pandemic.
So we developed a system that is for the connection between nursing homes to the practitioners, to the physicians. And it's important not only for the video consultation as well as for a point of care diagnostic. So the medical staff in the nursing homes can do the diagnosis, and the physician can help the people in the nursing homes for not to give them to the hospitals. They can longer be protected in the nursing homes. And we developed it together with the users, with the patients. And so it was important even for the older people that they could see their physicians. So we added a second display on the back side, so the patient could see the physicians by sitting as well as lying in bed. You can add many different devices, from Bluetooth devices up to sonographic devices, up to a patient monitor that sits nearby an ICU device. So you can protect your patient in many different ways for the use you need. We developed as well a small device in a bag, so it can be used, for example, at patient side at their homes, maybe from ambulance staff or maybe from a practitioner who is non-medical person staff at site at the patient. We need to optimize the rare resource of physicians as well as other medical staff, and I think telemedicine could be a good solution for this.
Im Rahmen des EFRE-Forschungsprojekts iFood haben wir eine Systemlösung entwickelt zur Behandlung des diabetischen Fußsyndroms. Zwar handelt es sich hierbei um eine Sensorlösung. Der Sensor wird in den Schuh der Patientin oder des Patienten integriert und überträgt somit dann Informationen zu Druck, Temperatur und Feuchtigkeit an der Wunde des Patienten oder der Patientin. Die Informationen werden weiterhin auch auf eine Smartwatch übertragen. Dort haben wir eine Smartwatch-App entwickelt. Und hier werden den Betroffenen vom diabetischen Fußsyndrom dann auch nochmal Informationen angezeigt, beispielsweise wie hoch der Druck ist, wie hoch die Temperatur ist oder wie stark die Feuchtigkeit in der Nähe der Wunde ist. Diese Informationen werden auch über eine Softwarelösung an den entsprechenden Behandler weitergeleitet. Der Mehrwert für die Telemedizin liegt darin begründet, vielleicht auch gerade auf die Corona-Pandemie bezogen, dass man möglichst wenig Kontakte vielleicht täglich haben sollte. Und mit Hilfe unserer Systemlösung haben wir die Möglichkeit, auch über Sektorengrenzen hinweg mit verschiedenen Professionen zu kommunizieren. Wir haben aber auch die Möglichkeit, dass Behandler und Behandlerinnen sowie Patientinnen und Patienten im stetigen Kontakt sind.
With Curio, we offer a CE-certified medical product, easy-to-use virtual reality therapy for cognitive, sensoric and motoric impairments. It's also remote-ready, and in future we will offer a teletherapeutic solution to treat people over distance with low latency. We already have a lot of preclinical data. There are several studies ongoing, and we are looking forward to the results, which will be published soon. After clinical rehabilitation, patients often are left alone. No efficient therapy is available locally. With teletherapy, we could help these people and offer high-frequency therapy even on their place at home.
This is a telepresence robot, in short Skype on wheels, but with added mobility. Normal use cases in healthcare is a situation where it's difficult for you as a person to enter a room, as isolation rooms for instance. You have the robot placed inside the room, and then you can, from a computer, you can access the robot and do whatever you have to do for the patients. Other kind of scenarios could be having experts locking into the robot without being there in person, but still very fast and quick advice for some special needs. The pilot, in this case my colleague Cornelia, she has the full control over the robot. So from the computer she can simply use the arrow keys and drive around as she was there in person. So it's sort of an avatar for her. With the 2 camera systems that we have, she has a full view of the room and can interact, read the room, and be present in a very realistic way. I think the acceptance of this kind of technology is actually quite high, and we'll see much more in the future of these kinds of devices.